If you want, you can use a Telegram account in your PC or computer. In this video, we'll be telling about that. For that, first what we need to do is take your laptop and open any browser. Here for example, I am using my mobile phone only. By following the steps, you can open Telegram account in your PC or laptop. Anyways, in your PC or laptop, open any browser. After opening any browser, what you need to do is you need to search for Telegram. When you are searching for Telegram, you can see a result like this. Here you can see Telegram web. If you are not able to see this Telegram web, what you need to do is search for Telegram web. When you are searching for that, you can see a result like this. Click on Telegram web. When you are clicking on Telegram web, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see two options, country and phone number. First, you need to select your country. After that, you need to enter your phone number. Country is automatically selected here. After that, enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, down here you can see next button. Click on this next button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Now you will receive one message in your Telegram application. In that message, there will be one OTP. You need to enter that OTP here. When you are entering that OTP, you will reach a page like this. If you have enabled two-factor authentication. If you have not enabled two-factor authentication, you cannot see this page. Anyways, it's better to enable two-factor authentication. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, they will be asking for password. Enter your password here. After entering password, down here you can see next button. Click on this next button. When you are clicking on that, your Telegram account will be opened in this browser. So this way you can easily log into your Telegram account in your laptop or PC. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.